First whole week in the house. I've finished the lounge room and one of the bedrooms. I'm starting on the second now, as you can see, prepping the walls. Hopefully getting like a room done a week. So we'll see how we go. I've currently spent probably half an hour, 45 minutes prepping one wall. So I'd say for the rest of the room we've got a bit more work because there's a few bits and pieces that need addressing over here. But it's coming along, it's looking good. So we'll take you on the ride with us.